Using business visuals. An effective website, one that consistently produces measurable results, is often the online front door of a hospital. It's usually the first point of encounter for patients, prospective patients, families, and friends. The challenge is to build a front door that is welcoming, engaging, interesting, and most of all, provides answers to visitors' questions about our facility, service lines, and physicians. Prioritizing the website's objectives. Before anything else, we must identify in detail the customer base we want to reach and what we want the site to achieve in reaching them. The words, ideas, and information presented in a website has the greatest importance. Being visually interesting is valuable, and the graphic elements should not overpower the visitor experience or be a substitute for strategic messaging. We will use effective, response-evoking words in a friendly, easy-to-read, easy-to-understand format. Although the public is generally familiar with the Internet, the function and usability of each page should be naturally apparent. Aesthetics should complement usability, and the site visitor should never have a question about how to navigate. For example, the menu will utilize items like visitor, patients, services, staff, and forms. When hovering over patients, the menu would expand to show choices like forms for new patients, inpatient procedures, emergency information, and so on. This keeps the menu concise and the homepage clean, but offers a logical organization that can be followed by any visitor. Clear organization will keep our visitors engaged with our content and encourage them to spend more time on our website. Our hospital website should certainly have some photos on it. However, it is best to skip the inexpensive stock photos of smiling doctors and nurses wearing untouched scrubs. These will not give an accurate impression of our hospital and may inadvertently cheapen our website. Our recommendation is to hire a professional photographer to capture a few photos of our staff helping real patients. We will then complement them with a patient quote and our hospital values on the homepage. This will provide a more accurate picture of our hospital and the kind of care that potential patients can expect. These types of pictures also convey a much more personalized experience to potential patients. They work to dispel the stereotypical, sterilized, white-walled image that most people have of hospitals. They show potential patients, and our hospital staff is made up of real people who enjoy their jobs and who will provide the best possible care to everyone who walks through the door. Videos are an important marketing strategy, and our website should feature videos that can showcase our facility. We should include a tour of the hospital as well as interviews with staff. This will help give the potential patient a clear picture of our hospital and encourage them to trust us for their medical needs. Our website needs to showcase our story and highlight what makes our facility unique and stand out in the community. Do we specialize in a certain procedure? We need to let them know. Do we give back to the community? We need to share stories of how our hospital has impacted the surrounding area. The public can be very picky when it comes to medical services, and working to establish a more informal, personal relationship with potential patients is a fantastic way of standing out compared to other hospitals in our area. We also recommend creating and regularly updating content that is both social and search friendly. Step 1 is to enhance online visibility with fresh, interesting, and authoritative content. For example, using results from facility inspections, feedback from customers, and community interactions and recognition, then presenting engaging content that is easily found and shared by way of social media formats such as Twitter and Facebook. Making online scheduling is important. It will increase the patient expectation of our website to be more than a fundamental brochure of the distant digital past. That moment that site content delivers the answers to a prospective patient's needs is the ideal time for that person to immediately schedule an appointment for a particular department, provider, or service line. Increasingly, hospitals providing instant access to direct appointment booking, and those that do have a distinct marketing advantage. Our hospital must be mindful of the fact that a large majority of those visiting our website are experiencing an emergency or will need to find information very quickly prior to a visit. Website design for a hospital or medical organization can be challenging. Our hospital has a great amount of information to present on our website, and the objective is to do so in such a way that does not confuse or overwhelm our visitors. Our website must conform to today's design standards, making it compatible and simple to browse on mobile devices and smartphones.